Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, your boy Bryan. Today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song DILBAR. It's an Indian song and hope you like it. From the beginning, so step to the right, one circle, side and then down twice. Again, 5, 6, 7, and slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then jump on 5, 6, and 7, drop. Okay, let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. From here, 7, 8. Step your left. 1, 2, open 3, and up 4. Head isolation. 5, 6. Open on 7, 8. One more time. From here, 7, 8. Step your left. 1, 2, 3, and up. Head isolation. Open. Cut. From here, gonna go up. 1, back. 2, 3, 4. Then turn 5, 6. Okay, 6, then dip 7 and 8. Okay, let's start from here. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Head 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Head 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, down 7 and 8. Go for yourself. 1, 2, double 3, 4. Step your left. 5, 6, 7, turn 8. Okay? So the turn is like this. Turn and you can lift the left knee. Okay, let's try. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8. So you end up on 7 and 8. Then drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 7, 8. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then scoop. 5, 6, 7, and the 8. Okay, that's it. That's right. And up on here, super slow. 7 and grab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Close fit. 7, 8. That's it. Again, here, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And smile. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.